We need another crate over here. Yeah, I'm bringing it now. Heads up, big load coming. Clear the pallets on the left. Keep an eye on the pressure. We've got a heavy load coming through. Check the alignment down there. It's loose. I'll adjust the guide rail. We got another cracked one on this line. Pull it.
Make sure line 3 is cleared by the next cycle. Copy that. Almost ready for the next batch.
Check the flow rate on the upper conveyor. It's steady, but the crusher is backing up again.
Keep the pressure steady on the auger. Roger that. How's the bricks looking? It's right on target, 12.2. The pressure's spiking again on the pink line.
Check the flow rate downstream.
We're maintaining the target output for the pink guava run. Keep an eye on the viscosity levels.
Check the pressure on line 3. Looks stable from here.
Keep an eye on the rejection gate. We're seeing a slight skew on bottle 42.
All right, monitoring now. Did you check the pressure gauge on Unit 4? Yeah, it looks stable now. Make sure the lids are sealed properly.